What's going on, guys?
Oh, here, hold on. I'm going to adjust you guys.
So,
There we go.
with my new spiffy phone, I was able to activate the recording with my stylus. But,
Ooh, that's not what this is about.
no, that's not what this is about. So, we went ahead and ordered a package of Twisted Allure. Now,
This is our second package.
right, now, we have explained what this is in the past. Go check out the first video. I'll be posting both videos in the next few days. But, essentially, you want to explain to them what Twisted Allure is?
So they're kind of like a body products company. They do body lotions, body wash, all kinds of stuff that smell amazing. But the twist on it is that they're all spooky.
They are all spooky
They're
themed.
spooky themed.
And the scents that they have, you can't get in most places. Like cookies and cream, jelly donut, orange creamsicle. They've got
all kinds.
all kinds.
All kinds.
And they're doing special Halloween boxes, by the way. So go get you some.
And get a subscription box.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
not what this is, but
No.
that's
And
coming soon enough.
We will be starting a new series with these unboxings for the subscription boxes. So we'll be showing you guys what we get every month. And by the way, you can only get special certain items through the boxes a month. Some stuff, you can only get it through that. So we're excited.
All right,
Now
so we're
let's get
going to
into it.
unbox this for you guys, okay?
All right.
So starting out, nice, pretty theme.
Already.
All right, got our fortune teller
Oh, that's different.
body butter,
Wait, let's just pull it all.
sweet blackberry.
Are we just taking turns with it?
Yeah.
All right. Ooh. You want to smell it real quick?
Don't mind if I do.
I'll smell it with you. Oh, was that there before? Oh, she had a seal on it. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I still smell like jelly donut. So.
Oh, I like this one a lot.
Ooh.
Oh, that's a good one.
Ooh. Okay.
Mhm.
I'm sorry,
Sorry,
if the
guys.
sounds are weird. Okay. Hey, at least it's not like the one you did where you did the Dairy Queen. You want to explain to him real quick?
So this is body butter, okay, guys? It's thicker than lotion, okay? Now, we got one. I looked at it and I was like, wow, this is so thick. The lid's on, lid's secured for this situation.
Sort of like Dairy Queen.
I was like, this is like the Dairy Queen, like you could flip it upside down thing. And the inner thoughts won. And I go, and out comes this huge plop all over my arm
In the
car. And I was like, well, looks like we're trying it now.
And like we just split it up on us. It was so much, but it smelled great. All right, next we've got Sherbert School's Rainbow Sherbet Body Spray, which is absolutely awesome. Was that mine?
That's yours.
Ooh, let me do a little.
Little sniff. Here, you can just.
Oh. Mmm.
Smells fruity.
Takes a second to hit you, but. All right.
Alright.
What is that? Oh,
This
soap.
is my corpse candy whipped soap.
Now she has the body butter. The body butter she tried with the Dairy Queen stuff, that's corpse
That's
candy.
this one. I love this set so much.
Also, if you're watching this, the creator of Twisted Allure, why don't you do our videos?
Please.
Do videos for our
So our
stuff.
packaging.
We are some pretty good fans.
We're good fans. We swear.
Okay, now I'm going to do this one.
Mmm.
This was the one I've been waiting for. This is the Maple Pancakes Body Butter. Now, you ready?
Mm.
So I just,
Do you need help?
yeah, I just don't want to make a mess on it. Ooh,
I can smell it
I
from
can
here.
smell it already.
Hold on.
Oh, yeah, I can't waste any.
Definitely smells maple.
I can smell maple all the way across from here.
I know, it's very strong maple.
It smells good though.
Does.
All right. What is this?
You want to hold it?
Oh.
So
yeah.
this is the one that we're smelling right now.
Oh, that smells exactly like maple pancakes. Maybe waffles more so. But like,
With maple syrup.
yeah, with maple syrup. That's like maple syrup as lotion, essentially.
Okay. Part of my obsession. This is the Corpse Candy body spray.
She actually got the spray this time.
I did. I need it.
And then my new obsession probably is going to be my body lotion Oreos cookie with cream filling. Now this is essentially just Oreos. Cookies and cream. Oh.
Oh my god. Smells like an Oreo.
It smells great.
And then, here, I got you. That's that one. And then, last but not least, is the Coffin Cake body lotion, which smells like strawberry cake.
Don't you have the spray for that?
Yes, I do. I have the spray. I'm trying to get some matching stuff, if you guys can't tell. So now we got the spray, body water, or whipped soap, and the body butter for Corpse. And then we have the Coffin Cake lotion and spray. This is the first of this set that we have, and the first of these.
Mm-hmm.
So,
are they both Fortune Teller?
No.
That one is, this is the...
Yep.
Oh yeah, Sherbert.
Thin up.
Let's do a thumbnail. We can do a thumbnail.
There we go. Alright, guys.
So, twist it down. I'll edit this out. It's fine.
I mean, we can take a picture.
I know, that's what I'm saying. So, it's recording, isn't it?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We could just take a picture.
Okay, give me 1 second. Alright, guys, give us 1 sec.
Oh, I guess I started.
It's okay. How'd you start it?
I don't know.
Alright, well, with that being said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this content, this unboxing. It was absolutely fun.
We are ever so happy about our products.
Yep, we are super excited to give these guys a try.
These a try.
And by
I'm
the way,
super excited for this one.
And by the way, in a week or so, we'll have a box to undo for you guys as well. So the series is going to be pretty constant. I'm thinking we'll make it a series for the unboxings. Another thing is eventually I will be looking at doing another monthly box for another product. It won't be Twisted Allure. Heck, we could do 2 monthly boxes. Well, no, because then we get the same stuff.
Not technically. She
No?
may vary it a bit.
Well, with that being said, Twittergram, TikTok links are in the description. Go check out our other content if you guys enjoyed this one. Go check out the other unboxing video. It's not as long as this one, but it's still pretty cool either way. So, with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed the content. If you guys did, smash that like, subscribe button, and have a bear-tastic day, guys. And I gotta
We're out.
figure it out. Have a bear-tastic day.